Welcome student, this is our fourth lecture of second chapter real number. ओके, वास्तव संख्या या प्रकरणातील आपलं हे चौथं लेक्चर आहे. आज आपण ऑपरेशन्स ऑन सर्ड ऑन लाईक सर्ड्स म्हणजे सजातीय करणींवरील क्रिया अभ्यासणार. ओके. Sorry. Which type of operations are there? There are four types of operations: mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. बेरीज, वजाबाकी, गुणाकार, भागाकार या चार गणितीय क्रिया आहेत त्या आपल्याला करणींवर अभ्यासायच्या आहेत. सपोज वी टेक फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, radicand 3 plus 5 radicand 3. The first operation, what is that? Addition. Okay. Now first we take a revision. What are like surds? Like surds are the surds having same order and their radicand is same. सजातीय करणी म्हणजे अशा करणी की ज्यांची कोटी आणि करणीस्थ संख्या कशी असते, सारखी असते, त्यांच्यामध्येच आपण हे ऑपरेशन्स करू शकतो. ओके. नाउ radicand 3 is common, so in first bracket 1 plus 5 bracket complete, radicand 3, 1 plus 5 is 6, radicand 3. First operation. Suppose the second we'll learn, that is of 5 radicand 7 minus 2 radicand 7. Again they are like surds, सजातीय करणी आहेत त्या. So in first bracket 5 minus 2 bracket complete, radicand 7, 5 minus 2 is 3, radicand 7. These are very simple operations of addition and subtraction. If such questions are asked, then they will ask for only 1 mark. हे सोपी उदाहरण आहेत, जर विचारली गेली तर फक्त एका मार्काला येतं. सॉरी, थर्ड, radicand 5 into 3 radicand 5. Multiplication. If we multiply both the surds, what do we get? 3 into radicand 5 square. So we get 3 into 5, that is 15. Multiplication. Okay. Another example of multiplication, we can take 3 radicand 2 into 4 radicand 2. This is for you for homework to solve. Same pattern you have to solve. Division operation. Fourth is division. भागाकाराचं चौथं उदाहरण आपण घेऊ. गुणाकार झालं, बेरीज वजाबाकी. Radicand 125 divided by radicand 5. Their order is same, so we can divide in same. 125 divided by 5, we get radicand 25. Now radicand 25 is the square of 5. Order power same, so 5 out of bracket. Okay. You have to solve the same. Fifth example, one is for example, this is for you for homework. Radicand 98 divided by radicand 2. You have to solve this example like this. Okay. Which are four operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. चार गणिती क्रिया आहेत करणींवरील: बेरीज, वजाबाकी, गुणाकार आणि भागाकार. आणि दोन उदाहरण तुम्हाला होमवर्कला दिले आहेत. But these are very simple examples which will be asked for only 1 mark. For 3 marks, the different kind of examples are asked, like suppose, okay, like simplify. Two examples we will take. First, suppose 5 in radicand 45 minus 3 radicand 125, okay, plus 7 radicand 5. We learned that if radicand is same, then we can add or subtract them. Okay, if they are like surds. आपण शिकलोय, जर त्या सजातीय करणी असतील तर आपल्याला त्यांच्यावर गणिती क्रिया करता येतात. Their order is same here, but radicand is not same. So we have to make them same. Okay, like factorize 45 as one factor is complete square. We know that 9 into 5 is 45. 9 is a complete square of 3 minus 3. Factor of 125. 25 is a complete square. So 25 into 5 plus 7 radicand 5. Here remember one thing. If least number you get, then the number is common in all the terms. इथे 5 हा सगळ्यात कमी खंडित संख्या आहे, त्यामुळे इथे सगळ्यांमध्ये 5 कॉमन आहे, बाकीचे फॅक्टर शोधायला सोपं जातं. Now next step, 5 in radicand 3 square into 5 minus 3 in radicand 5 square into 5 plus 7 into radicand 5. Order power same, so 5 into 3 radicand 5 minus 3 into 5 radicand 5 plus 7 into 5. Now their radicand is same, order is same, they are like such. आता त्या सजातीय करणीय आहेत. Therefore in first bracket 5 into 3 15 minus 3 into 5 15 plus 7 bracket complete. What is common? Radicand 5 is common. 15 minus 15 0 plus 7 7 radicand 5, our answer. Okay, hope you understand. Second example, suppose here I write 3 radicand 8 minus 1 upon 3 radicand 8 plus 2 radicand 8. It is very simple. Their radicand and order is same, so they are like sets. You have to solve this example like the following. Okay, hope you can easily solve this example. Their radicand is same, so directly add and subtract the terms. Now next point we have to learn is rationalization of surds. करणींचे परिमेयकरण. Okay, rationalize when product of two surds is a rational number, then it is said as rationalization of surds. जेव्हा दोन करणींचा गुणाकार परिमेय संख्या असते तेव्हा तिला करणीचे परिमेयकरण असे म्हणतो. For an example, suppose I take radicand 2 here, and if I multiply radicand 2 with radicand 8, now their order is same, so while multiplication both the radicands are in same surd, we get 2 into 8 is 16. Now 16 is a complete square, it is a square of 4. Now order power is same, so we get 4 out of radicand. So it is a rational number. That is called rationalization of surd. So in this case, radicand 8 is rationalization factor of radicand 2, and radicand 2 is also rationalization factor of radicand 8. इथे या उदाहरणामध्ये कर्णित 8 हा कर्णित 2 चा परिमेयकरण गुणक आहे आणि कर्णित 2 सुद्धा कर्णित 8 चा परिमेयकरण गुणक आहे. One other example we can take radicand 3 into. It's very simple. We have to find the surd, by which if we multiply this radicand 3, we get a rational number. So there are many options. Radicand 3, we know that we get it. Okay. Now after 3, which one that we multiply and we get it? Yes. Think and tell. I know I'm not able to listen you, but tell me which number we have to multiply by here. Suppose I multiply it by 12. Okay. Now order is same, so multiplication carried out in same radical sign. 3 into 12, it is 36. Now 36 is a complete square of 6, so 6 out of radical. In this case, radicand 2 or 12, radicand 12 is a rationalization factor of radicand 3, and radicand 3 is also rationalization factor of radicand 12. इथे कर्णित 12 हा कर्णित 3 चा परिमेयकरण गुणक आहे आणि कर्णित 3 सुद्धा कर्णित 12 चा परिमेयकरण गुणक आहे. for your homework, find the rationalization factors of this term. Okay? You have to solve this. You have to find the rationalization factor for that two terms. Now today's last point. You can pause the screen and write the example. Rationalization of denominator. छेदाचे परिमयकरण. Means we have to rationalize the denominator. First example, suppose 1 upon radicand 5. We have to rationalize denominator. आपल्याला छेदाचे परिमयकरण करायचं. So if we have to solve examples like this, multiply by the rationalization factor on numerator and denominator. For example, 1 upon radicand 5 multiply by radicand 5 at numerator and radicand 5 at denominator. So we get 1 into radicand 5, that is radicand 5, and add denominator radicand 5 square, or in other terms we can write it as radicand 5 into radicand 5 in radical 5 into 5. Order is same, so in same bracket, same radical sign, under same radical sign. Again we get 5 square, order power is same, so we get radical 5 upon 5, radicand 5 upon 5. That is rationalization of denominator. Okay. Second example, 3 upon radicand 7. Same, multiply by radicand 7 at numerator and radicand 7 at denominator. So next step is इथे अंशाला पण करणीत 7 ने गुणायचं आहे आणि छेदाला पण करणीत 7 ने गुणायचं आहे. या दोघांचा गुणाकार 3 करणीत 7 आणि खाली in same radical sign 7 into 7, similar procedure, 3 radical 7 upon in radicand 7 square, order power same, so we get 3 radicand 7 upon 7. Now here example number 3, 4 radicand 3 upon radicand, or just 4 upon radicand 5. You have to rationalize the denominator. Okay, try to solve this example. We will meet in next lecture and learn the next point of this chapter. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.